ingredients that we use.
Lemon juice, milk flour, sugar, butter, milk, eggs, vanilla, baking powder, colorant, and powdered cocoa.
150 grams of flour.
130 milliliters of milk.
150 grams of sugar.
On eggs.
1 teaspoon of vanilla, lemon, and cocoa.
Mix in the bowl sugar, butter, and add eggs and vanilla and move it with a
Vale.
Vaig caminant com el firaire, pres del seu ball sota els estels. Des de la Barcelona al Caire canten sirenes, cançons rebels. Duc els tambors d'un mar en ruïnes, soc pastor arran de tot un circ, sempre a punt per robar la lluna.
Now we're all half of milk and take lemon juice and continua mix.
Y ahora la leche,
Milk. How incorporated taste or take half all milk and flour. When the dough is cream, add the coloring and baking powder.
now we put the dough in the bowl and put in the oven.
25 minutes and 108 degrees. To make the coverage, we need
250 grams of butter and 300 of sugar.